UH-1N, better known as the Twin Huey, the Bell version. A medium military helicopter, the first flew back in 1969. You remember what was going on back then? How many Vietnam vets do we have out here today? Boy, check this out. A little different than the ones that you rode in back then. The UH-1N model here, the Twin Huey. Extended load of over 5,000 pounds. And get this! The gentleman who flew the Huey earlier today, you can hear the whop whop there from the Huey. The gentleman who flew our jumpers to altitude, Lieutenant Colonel Jason Waller, retired from the U.S. Air Force on Monday.